What is the Earned Income Tax Credit? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The Earned Income Tax Credit is one type of credit that can increase your refund or reduce the amount of taxes you owe. It's for working people with low to moderate income that meet certain qualifications. To get the Earned Income Tax Credit, both your earned income and adjusted gross income cannot exceed a certain amount depending on the number of children you claim and your filing status. You must also have earned income, be a US citizen or resident alien, have a valid social security number for everyone on your return, have less than a certain amount of investment income, not file a Form 2555 or 2555EZ, and if you're not filing a joint return, you need to have a qualifying child that lived with you for more than half of last year. If you aren't claiming any children, there are a few more rules. You or your jointly filing spouse must be at least 19 years old. However, if you are a former foster or homeless youth, you need to be at least 18. If you are a student, you have to be at least 24. You also cannot be claimed as a child or dependent on anyone else's return. You can simply head over to TurboTax and enter some of your information, including your income, and then it's going to determine if you qualify and how much credit you will receive. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.